What is going on, guys? It is Ahmed and I am back today with yet another video for you all, and today we're going to talk about Shiba Inu, Shiba token. So again, shout out to the Shiba army. That's the first thing I want to say. You guys have been just killing the likes, the comments, everything, sharing the video with your friends, your family, and I never ask for it. So again, just from the bottom of my heart, I thank you all so much. But the first thing I want to cover here is the price action and some of the phenomenal things that are happening around the Shiba space. Because guess what? If we look at the overall cryptocurrency market, right, by most visited, I'm looking on CoinMarketCap, Shiba Inu is currently outpacing the majority of these tokens. Yes, some of these are doing, reasonably well, but the big thing I want to point out is the fact that, as the second most visited, it is, again, up 10.6% in the last 24 hours. So we're seeing maybe a reasonable recovery, which in my opinion could be just the start. Now, if we look at the one day chart, you could see here a lot of consolidation between that 72 Satoshi unit mark. We did see a nice little rally earlier today where it got up to almost just right about 10, but ever since then a little bit of a sell-off, and then again some nice consolidation. So we might have found again a nice level of support right where it's at about now, between around 8 to 8.5 Satoshi units. So guys, again, this is pretty great. Look at this, we're going even up higher, 13.5%. Now, before I continue on to the video and cover some of these potential catalysts, some different celebrity endorsements, that's what I want to talk about specifically. I do want to mention to get your free Bitcoin when you deposit money into your Webull account. So you can get up to $250 worth of free Bitcoin for creating a BlockFi account and depositing money into it. So go ahead, get your free Bitcoin. And also with Webull, get your free stocks. You guys know I'm a huge proponent of the stock market, big fan of investing into stocks, but also now cryptocurrency as well. But regardless, with Webull, it is a brokerage where you can buy and sell stocks and cryptocurrencies. So between now and the end of the month, so for the next 9 days, they're offering everyone a free stock valued between $2.50 and $250 for just creating an account. And then you get if you make an initial deposit of $100, you get a second free stock between $8 and $1,600. So you can be one of the lucky few that ends up getting Tesla, Facebook stock, Google. It could really be any stocks between $8 and $1,600 and an additional $250 to $250. Get your free money. Click the links below. Again, just having the chance to work with these companies, and they're allowing me to do this. I think it's a phenomenal deal for you guys. And full transparency, I also get one free stock when you go ahead and create and deposit money into your Webull account. Now, let's look into some of the short-term catalysts and celebrity endorsements that we've been seeing for Shiba Inu. Now, for SHIB token, just earlier today, about 12 hours ago, there was an announcement from Everest World. So there's a new token listing announcement. To provide with more trading options, Brexley will list SHIB on May 25th, so in about 3 days. Again, anytime we see more listings, right? We saw a huge surge of this, just in the last week or so when it comes to SHIB token, but a lot of different exchanges are now allowing people to start buying and selling Shiba Inu. And the big thing we want to understand is the more accessibility we have for anything in the cryptocurrency market or stock market, the more accessible it is, of course. With crypto, the more likely more people will start buying in and we'll see more holders. So if we go quickly look at some of the things I was mentioning in addition to this, so this is from SHIB Token's official Twitter. You guys can see just a lot of recent listings, which is just fantastic. All of these things are going to be great catalyst in my opinion for the short term and the long term. And also from the SHIB Informer here, if we scroll down, I want you all to be aware of one thing that is going on, and these continued scams. Unfortunately, with anything that is super positive and a fantastic project, we do see a lot of things like scams. And even in my comment section, do not ever go on any WhatsApp group, Telegram, anything like that from the comment section, because those are 100% a scam, and I don't want you to fall victim to those things. They will take all your money, all of your life savings. They'll take every single penny that you have and take it all, strip it right from you. So make sure you do not ever respond to any fake Europop. They're trying to pretend like they're me, or they'll write, visit me on WhatsApp. Here's all these things, cryptocurrency. Don't fall into any of those things, guys. Ignore them, report them. Don't just delete them. Report them so they get caught and completely, destroyed. So this is the only And here's the SHIB Informer just mentioning to the SHIB Army, some of the worst scammer channels in Telegram are now marked as such. This is only because you defeated them by reporting. That's the biggest power we have, is reporting. Now, in the last hour here, there was an update. There are currently 422,000 SHIB holders with a price change, which we saw, again, a little more than that, up 17%. Guys, we're maybe seeing a little bit of a breakout. We're at 8.7 Satoshi units, so we're working our way up. Let's go. This is fantastic. But going back to the SHIB Informer, number 2 on coin ranking on Lunar Crush, number 6 in Dex Tools app, and then of course 31st on Coin Market Cap. So we're seeing, again, a lot of positivity and a lot of good things for Shiba token. Now, for my favorite thing that I've been seeing, the celebrity endorsements. If you don't know who Kai Green is, Kai Green, phenomenal bodybuilder, weightlifter, former Mr. Olympia. This man has been nonstop talking about Shiba Inu. And also Scott Herman. But look at this. Not gonna lie, I love our SHIB community. We are like a family. Shiba going green. Crypto whales done with the drama. He's been very into cryptocurrency. And if you follow what he's been saying, it's been a lot of just things regarding the cryptocurrency market. So really love what Kai Green is doing, spreading awareness, getting more and more people introduced to the whole idea of cryptocurrencies. And again, as a potential vehicle to potentially grow your money, which is just so phenomenal if you ask me. Same thing for Scott Herman. Scott Herman actually joined us on a live stream yesterday. I was actually able to have a conversation with him on the Instagram. And regardless, he said, let's get Shiba token on Robinhood. Click the link to join the SHIB Army and sign the petition. This coin will change your life. So we know one of the bigger catalysts that can occur in the short term is if we can get SHIB token listed on Robinhood. So Robinhood came out and said they're not against listing any type of cryptocurrency as long as there's enough demand for it, right? And right now the petition has went over 25, almost 30,000 people signed it. So again, if you have the opportunity to do so, go ahead and sign the petition. It's on the SHIB Informer has it on his Twitter. So just go ahead, click the link, and then get it signed so we can get it hopefully listed on Robinhood. Maybe Webull will follow, because we know what happened when Webull allowed Dogecoin to be traded on their platform. We saw significant price action, positive price action, right? 30, 40, 50, 60% the days after it was listed. So again, accessibility allows more people to get introduced to something, which again is going to ultimately create a buying pressure. And from there, we can kind of just work to see, hopefully, to continue to see a rally, especially if the overall cryptocurrency market bounces back. So right now, Shiba Inu is definitely outperforming the rest of the market in the last, even 15 to 30 minutes. So if we let's just look at the 1 hour chart. So if we go to the trading view, scroll down here, let's look at the 1 hour chart. So yeah, we're seeing these big green candlesticks, a lot of buying pressure, lots and lots of buying. Let's look at the 1 minute. Oh yeah, look how, oh my goodness. Yeah, this is some really good price action, very solid. So for anyone who's been buying the dip and maybe decreasing your dollar cost average on SHIB token, you're potentially, again, up pretty significantly if you're bought at the bottom at 7. I think right around 7, we found a very strong support line, 7.2 Satoshi units. So you're probably up, pretty significant amount. That's quite a bit, 8%, 9% in the last, couple minutes. So again, if you're someone that's day trading SHIB token or Shiba Inu, you're probably seeing some fantastic returns, and I congratulate you for that. So regardless, just wanted to touch base with you all, let you know about some of the things that are occurring. Again, Kai Green, phenomenal. Loving the fact that he's tweeting so much about Shiba Inu in the community. So again, if you're someone who has not invested yet, of course, always make your own decisions. We're not here to tell you whether to buy or sell, but in my opinion, I think this is a fantastic opportunity that has some strong potential. Because look at this, even from earlier today, I made a video, it's at $2.9 billion market cap. So we've added an additional $500 million into it with a market cap of $3.4 billion. So in my opinion, again, still undervalued. If we look back on the price action and we look at the 1 month chart, let's see here, right there. The all-time high was at 36 Satoshi units. So right now we're, a fraction of that. We're less than even a fourth. So again, potentially if we rally back up with Shiba Swap on the way, I think this will create more and more of a buying pressure where we're going to see this thing go up. People have been asking, do I think Shiba Swap is already priced into Shiba token? In my opinion, it isn't. right? There's lots of rumors right now, but we need news. And when it comes to these things, I don't think it's going to be one of those buy the rumor, sell the news. Just the overall cryptocurrency market has been pulling back. So of course that has been creating a selling pressure from everyone. But again, I think that could all reverse pretty quickly as soon as good news drops for the entire market, specifically for Shiba Inu with Shiba Swap, a Robinhood listing, a bigger exchange listing, more buying pressure, and we're going to see hopefully some significant price action. So again, thank you all so much for tuning in. If you haven't already, get your free Bitcoin with BlockFi, get your free stocks with Webull, and until next time, everybody, keep investing.